Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
And their people's energy into progress. Industrialization must not stop at fertilizer, Mr. Speaker, sir. It must reach construction and craftsmanship. Why should Malawi continue importing our sheets, house, wheelbarrows, towels, doors, construction nails, when our young men and women from technical colleges have the skills to make them? Why should we send our money away when our youths are ready to work? If properly empowered, they can build and supply these materials here at home. Let us invest in their training, tools, and dreams. When we empower our hands of our youth, we build soul of our beautiful nation, Malawi. Let Malawi become a land where the labor of its people can define the destiny. As we build industries, we must also build homes. Shelter is not a privilege, it is a basic human right. Our population is growing, our cities are expanding, and our people deserve affordable and decent housing. I argue the government, through Ministry of Lands, Housing and Urban Development, to establish National Housing Development Fund so that Malawians can access housing finance. It cannot be right for young graduates, after years of education, spend half of their salaries on rentals. A secure home gives dignity, stability, and hope. A nation that houses its people well builds a strong foundation for its future. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me also speak on mining. Mining is a sector of great promise, but also of great responsibility. I argue the government to ensure that all mining agreements are negotiated transparently, fairly, and in true interest of our people. In my constituency, we have deposits of rotten graphite that can transform our economy if properly managed. The people I represent are not asking for favors, they are asking for fairness. They want to see the benefits of their land in their schools, the benefits of their land in their clinics, the benefits of their land in the lives of their children. Mr. Speaker, sir, as we speak of mining and fertilizer industries, we must also consider how we move our goods. Railway transport is a critical enabler of industrialization and trade. At present, our rail network is not comprehensive. It only covers the central and southern regions in our country. There is no railway line in the north, which presents a significant opportunity for Malawi to connect with the Tanzania line in Tanzania. However, there has been limited investment to expand and modernize our rail infrastructure. The rail sector is not fully integrated with other modes of transport. With the right level of investment, rail transport can effectively link with inland, water transport, and road networks to better serve our major economic activities, including mining and agriculture. Studies show that rail transport is cheaper and more efficient for bulk goods. As we establish fertilizer factories and mining companies, we must deliberately plan for a transport system that supports them. I therefore argue the government to prioritize investment in rail infrastructure as a key pillar of our industrial and economic transformation. Our future lies in believing in ourselves. We have land, we have the skills, we have the strength. Let us produce what we can consume, build what we use, and grow what we eat. Let us rise above divisions and work together, government and opposition, rich and poor, rural and urban, as one people with one purpose.
You have 2 minutes, Honorable.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I urge the legislature, judiciary, executive to safeguard the democracy so that our nation can achieve change to the lives of our people. The sacrifices made by James Frederick Sangala, Oton Chingori Chirwa, Masauko Chipembere, Rose Chuambo, Kanyama Chume, Dr. Hastings Kamuzubanda, Chakufa Jihana, Dr. Bagiri Muluzi, Professor Bingwa Mtarika, Aleke Kadona Padibanda, Chakakala Chazia, Edward Bonali should not go in vain. Mr. Speaker, sir, since the time
Consider winding up, Honorable.
Or any further, but I would like to urge the youthful parliamentarians that let's rise above political affiliations and work for the betterment of a better Malawi. The youth, we have life after this August House. We shall need a better Malawi for all. Let's rise and think of Mother Malawi first. I salute all Malawians for the peaceful elections that were held on 16th September. I know in other nations people fight, people die, but this hasn't been our case. We have been peaceful. I wish God to bless Mother Malawi.
Thank you. Honour members.
Speaker Maround.
Honorable Lilongwe Chirobwe, thank you for that. You have skills in speaking and I appreciate that. Thank you. Honourable members, I'm looking at the time. I know our ladies, welcome back. I hope it all went well. We will continue with the debate after lunch break, but I wanted to make a few announcements. In the gallery, we have Doa Central East, who has come with Zareka CDSS. Zareka CDSS, are you there? Please stand. Doa Central East, please stand and wave at your... Doa Central East. Okay, you are welcome. You may sit. You are welcome to Parliament. Takulandirani. Room P East. Are you in the house? Your visitors are here from Alumni of Likuni Girls Secondary School, please stand. Honorable, please stand and wave at you're welcome. Thank you very much. Deputy Leader of the House, I was looking at the time, and you may wish to move that we suspend early for lunch break.
Your Honor, the Speaker, on behalf of the honorable members, it has been a busy day today, and in the spirit of appreciating how we have worked, I would want to move a motion that we suspend proceedings before 12:30 and that we come back at the appropriate time as you desire to do. I move a motion. I beg to move.
Thank you, Deputy Leader. Honourable members, we have a motion to adjourn early, 3 minutes before 12:30, so that we go for an early lunch break and we continue with debate as soon as we get back. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary view say no. The ayes have it, and the motion is carried. Honourable members, I suspend the House for lunch break. Thank you.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.